Imagine your construction business is booked solid for the next 12 months. Clients are begging to pay you $150,000 every month. No more chasing leads, no more underbidding. But how? Let's do the math on hitting $150,000 a month as a contractor. Imagine you're running 5 remodeling projects at the same time. Each project bills $30,000 a month, which is common for mid-size kitchen or bathroom remodels. That's $150,000 in total monthly revenue. This keeps your cash flow steady all month long with the right website bringing in steady jobs, and this level of income is absolutely within reach. It's all about filling your calendar and keeping projects moving. A website that works like a 24/7 sales crew. Let me show you exactly how to build it. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to build a Contractor website that's not just another website. It's a money printing machine. We are talking WordPress setup, SEO that outranks competitors, and tools like AI chatbots that turn visitors into paying clients. Let's pour the foundation. Your website is like a skyscraper. Without a solid foundation, it collapses. WordPress is your reinforced concrete. For contractors, it's flexible, scalable, and lets you add features as your business grows. You need to buy a hosting. I recommend SiteGround and then install WordPress in a one-click button just in 5 minutes. Your theme is your blueprint. Skip generic templates. Use a contractor-specific theme like Baruco or Building X. These themes have service sections, project galleries, and testimonials. No wasted time. Now install your theme, customize colors to match your brand. Think safety orange or industrial gray would look good. Plugins are your power tools. Here what you need: Elementor Pro for fast designing, Rank Math SEO for top ranking, House Pro to showcase your portfolio, WP Forms for instant quote requests. Use TDO chatbot, 24/7 virtual foreman answering questions when you are on site. Your copy is your sales pitch. Ditch the jargon. Speak at their own pain points, like stop living in a half-finished nightmare. We deliver kitchen remodels on time, on budget. Call us now. You can use ChatGPT to generate headlines, but tweak them to sound like you, as if you are speaking. If you are getting value from this video, please hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up so more contractors can see it. Drop your questions in the comments. I can help you take your business online. Your photos are your proof. No stock images. Use real project pics, before and after sliders, time lapses, and add text overlays like 100 satisfaction guarantee. You can use Canva Pro to create your images. SEO is how clients find you. Internal SEO. Use keywords in headings and images. External SEO. Get backlinks from directories like Angie's Home Advisor. Local SEO. Claim your Google business profile. 80% clients check reviews first. Social media and email are your plumbing. Post project updates on Instagram Reels. Send newsletters with MailChimp. Add social feeds and email sign-up forms to your site. An AI chatbot like hiring a sales rep who never sleeps. Set it to answer FAQs and route complex questions to your phone using TDO or Drift. Your website isn't just a digital business card. Make it your hardest working employee. Follow these steps and you are building a $150K per month empire. DIY today or check out my done for you service. Links in the description. Let's talk about tracking your website performance. Just like you track progress on a construction site, every successful contractor knows the value of a daily job site report. For your website, that report is Google Analytics. Nearly 88% of top construction companies use it to monitor their online presence. Google Analytics shows you how many people visit your site, where they come from, what they do once they land. You can see which pages attract the most attention and which ones lose visitors. Are most leads coming from Google searches, Facebooks, or referrals? With this data, you can focus your marketing budget where it counts and tweak underperforming pages, like you'd adjust a project schedule. Set up conversion goals like contract form submissions or quote requests to measure real business results, not just clicks. Think of analytics as your blueprint for continuous improvement, helping you build a stronger, more profitable business every month. Imagine if you could exactly which marketing effort bring in the best leads. That's the power of using analytics and key performance indicators or KPIs of your website. You can track how many visitors turn into calls, how many calls turn into jobs, and which services are most in demand. If you notice your kitchen remodel page gets twice the traffic of your roofing page, you can double down on kitchen content and ads. Or if visitors drop off before filling out your quote form, maybe it's time to simplify that form or add a strong call to action. Just like reviewing your jobs site metrics, reviewing your website data helps you to spot what's working and what needs fixing. The result? More quality leads, more booked projects, and less wasted effort. Hit the subscribe and save this video. And now start building. In 90 days, you could be the contractor everyone's fighting to hire. And you can also watch this related video. See you there.